So. Tried to fry some bologna in the microwave. I used some butter. I melted that, and then I fried the bologna on top of it. You see, drinking a bit, but kind of slides around a bit. Let's try it out. Mm. It's very buttery. Imagine that. Mm. Tastes very good though. Not quite as good if you fried it on the stove, but pretty good though. I mean, I think if you put butter on anything, it's pretty good. But a little bit left there. Some good stuff. Give that like a 9 out of 10. Be better if it was fried in a pan. I think if you put butter and bologna in a pan, that'd be the best way to fry it.